Hello my fashion lovers, welcome again to this tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make this gathered sleeve. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, and to share my videos. Let's get straight to the tutorial. To make the sleeve, the gathered sleeve, first we are going to draft our basic sleeve, long sleeve, depending on the length you want. We'll be drafting the long sleeve. That's the basic sleeve we are going to use in this tutorial. First of all, you're going to get your length, and after that you get your cap height, depending on the bust you're working with. Here I'm using 3.5 for the cap height, and on the cap height I'll be taking the round sleeve measurement plus my sewing allowance, and you're going to connect, then get the middle and make your mark. You're going to measure it, whatever you have, get the center and make your connection in form of a snake. You connect it, then you go ahead and take the remaining measurements, that is for the half length. You take your measurement and add your sewing allowance, go ahead and complete the other measurements. For whatever measurements you are imputing, you're dividing by 2 and adding your sewing allowance, and the wrist measurements, divide by 2 and go ahead and connect all the measurements. And this is our basic sleeve. With this basic sleeve, we're going to use it to get the actual sleeve that you want. You go ahead and cut out the sleeve. Go ahead and cut out the sleeve. Follow your markings. And after cutting out the sleeve, open it up. You're going to take note of the middle parts. You go ahead and place your net or whatever fabric you choose to work with. Place it on top of the pattern and secure it at the beginning. Use your pin and secure it at the beginning. Make sure the fabric you're going to use will be longer than the pattern and wider than the pattern, so that you can be able to pleat and also cut out the excesses. Go ahead and take it to your machine and pleat accordingly. Secure the beginning. You're going to pleat at the middle. You'll be pleating at the middle of the pattern, of your pattern paper, because the pattern paper is what will secure it, will hold your stitches. You go ahead and pleat it the way you want it to appear. Go ahead and make your pleats while you secure it at the middle with your stitches. Go ahead and make your pleats, and make sure the fabric you're working with, mostly net, is longer than the pattern, so that you're pleating you can have enough that will cover up the pattern paper. You go ahead and pleat it while you secure it with your stitches. Go ahead and pleat it. You keep forming your pleats until you have gotten your desired pleats. If you want it to be fuller, if you want the pleats on the sleeve to be fuller, you have to make your net to be longer so that as you're pleating, you will have enough to pleat. This is an illustration. So when you want to make your own, make sure that your own is finer than this. Go ahead and pleat. Keep making your pleats until you get to the end parts. Make sure you have enough fabric that will cover up the pattern. And when you are done with the middle part, you go ahead and secure it. Go ahead and secure it on all edges. We're going to sew down the edges and the upper parts. And when you're sewing the edges, make sure you also pleat it. You follow the pattern you have made in the middle. Go ahead and arrange it and pleat it likewise. Keep making your pleats. You follow the pattern you have created in the middle to secure it down at the edges. And when you are done with this side, go ahead and secure the other side. secure all edges so that when you remove your paper, your pattern will not open up. As you're stitching, make sure you're arranging it. When you're done with the sides, go ahead and stitch the upper part. And when you're done stitching, go ahead and cut off all the excesses. Go ahead and cut off all the excesses. Go ahead and cut off the excesses. The unwanted parts. And when you're done with that, go ahead and remove the paper. As you can see, the stitches you made will be what will hold it down while you remove the paper. And once you're done removing the paper, you can go ahead and attach your sleeve to your dress, and you have your gathered sleeve. Please, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And for those of my subscribers that keep watching each time I post a video, God bless you for promoting my channel. God bless you. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like and share my videos. Thank you very much. See you next time. The way it is, just go ahead and attach your sleeve to your dress. See you next time.